Today, we're going to dive into how artificial intelligence is secretly and totally rewriting the rules of software. And it's all in the service of one ultimate goal, a happier customer. And yeah, that customer is you.
I mean, think about it. The apps on your phone, the websites you browse, all the tools you use for work. Have you ever really stopped to wonder what's going on behind the scenes? Well, the answer is getting wilder and a whole lot more surprising every single day.
All right, so before we can even get to the whole AI revolution, we got to understand the world it's stepping into. And right now, the world of modern software is all about one thing: building really powerful stuff really, really fast.
Now, the secret sauce to all this speed is something called higher levels of abstraction. It sounds kind of fancy, but it's actually a pretty simple idea. Programmers don't build everything from scratch anymore. Instead, they assemble software using these powerful, ready-made blocks. Seriously, it's like building with supercharged Legos.
And check this out. This quote from Trainline's CTO just nails it. A database used to be this huge, complicated, specialized thing. Now, it's something you can just download. That kind of accessibility is what's driving everything, putting some serious power into way more hands than ever before.
So, the stage is set, right? Speed, simplicity. But now, a brand new character is walking onto the scene, and it's not a human programmer. It's an AI that's literally learning to speak the language of code.
And this is where your brain has to do a little flip. See, traditionally, you program a computer by giving it a super strict set of rules to follow. But with this new wave of AI, you don't write rules at all. You teach it by showing it examples, almost like you teach another person.
You know what's crazy? The process is surprisingly simple. You just talk to the AI in plain English, you show it a pattern of what you're looking for, and it just figures out the rest. It's less about writing rigid instructions and way more like having a conversation with this incredibly smart assistant.
The potential here is just massive. Being able to talk to complex technology using our own language isn't just a small step up. It's getting ready to completely transform pretty much every tool we use. And here's the kicker. Get ready for this. This amazing language tool isn't just for writing emails or blog posts. Nope. Developers are now using it to generate actual, functional software code just by describing it in English. They describe the app they want, and the AI starts writing it. Wild.
Okay, so AI can write code. That's huge. But that's only half the battle. Now we're going to see how AI is becoming an expert at perfecting that code. It's like a detective that can find any bug, and a librarian that knows exactly which tool you need for the job. For decades, we've had tools that are basically like a spell check for code. You know, they catch simple grammar mistakes, but they're rule-based, so they can only find what they've been told to look for. AI is totally different. It learns from the collective experience of millions of developers, so it can spot these really deep, complex problems that a simple checker would just fly right past.
To really get how big a deal this is, listen to this. There was a team of human specialists, experts, who spent months, I'm talking months, hunting for one single really bad bug buried deep inside a system. Then, they unleashed an AI from a company called DeepCode on it, an AI that had been trained on millions of bugs that had already been fixed, and it found that exact same problem in seconds. The difference in speed is just, it's absolutely staggering.
So you're probably asking, how is that even possible? Well, it's because the AI isn't just one programmer's brain. It's like it has the combined knowledge of the entire global programming community, learning from every single mistake anyone has ever fixed and shared online.
And it doesn't stop with just fixing mistakes. Think about when you buy something online and the website says, hey, you might also like this. AI can now do that for programmers. It analyzes what they're trying to build and recommends the perfect pre-built parts to get it done faster. It's a super intelligent little assistant.
So, we've got AI that can write code, fix code, and find the best tools. But what's the point of all this incredible tech? What's it all for? Well, the answer brings us right back to where we started.
And this, of course, brings up the big question on everyone's mind. If AI can do all of this, are human programmers about to become obsolete? Well, the answer isn't a simple yes or no.
Here's the reality check. With so many amazing new tools popping up, there's a real danger in just chasing the newest, shiniest thing, you know? The super popular technology today could be totally obsolete tomorrow, and that just creates a huge mess down the line.
It all comes down to a simple truth, really. Technology is just a means to an end. It's not the end itself. The real goal isn't just to use AI or whatever the latest thing is. It's to use the right tools to empower the right people, all to serve the user.
And that's what this is all about. All of this incredible innovation, the abstraction, the AI code writing, the intelligent bug finding, it's all pointed in one direction, creating a seamless, useful, and genuinely happy experience for you, the person actually using the software.
So, the future of software isn't humans versus machines. Not at all. It's about collaboration. It's about pairing human creativity and vision with the unbelievable speed and knowledge of AI. Which leaves us with one last, pretty exciting question. What incredible things are they going to build together?